What up YouTube, we are back. These are a pair of Powerbeats Pro, and these are the sort of the AirPods killer from Apple themselves, which was just jokes when I heard about this thing. But yeah, I've seen reviews on these things. Everyone's been raving how good these things are. Totally wireless, high performance earbuds with wireless charging case and lightning cable as well. But again, if these things are as better than, well, AirPods, it's not bad. I mean, these things you can pick up, the box price on this is £160. I've already sold these guys online, so this is the reason for this unboxing. As always, if I have any sort of high value item, I want to basically do a little video just beforehand, just to make sure that obviously these things are, everything's in the box as described, and there's no funny business that happens afterwards as well. Already had some instances where people have done something a bit shady, but you know what, I'm not going to get into that in this video. I'll probably save that for another video. But these are the guys right here. Let's have a look here. Case is pretty heavy, so it's a pretty sturdy case. Definitely something that you can't just put in your little jean pocket. So definitely something that you have to carry around in your main pocket. Pretty bulgy. The back, it's got a is that Thunderbolt? No, it's not. It's just a iPhone. It's a Lightning USB in the back of things. There might be like a Type C, but it's not. It's just a Lightning USB. And inside, you have your AirPod Pro. You have your Powerbeats Pro headphones. So individually, each one uses these two little contact points right there, and they touch just inside here to charge, and then just sit back in like so, and again sit back in like so, and they just work great. I am really tempted just to cancel this sale and just keep these things because these are pretty nice. But again, I'm a Sony fanboy, and I do love my my XM1000s. They are great headphones, but these are pretty nice. Love the design, love the case. The only bad thing is that these, I'm not sure if anyone has the same sort of problem, but using this particular sort of design with the hook on the top, I know it's more secure, but I find that a lot of times this part here, the end of it, does sort of get irritating after some prolonged uses. Same as, like, I think other people might have this problem as well if you're wearing glasses for a long period of time. It's sort of, if you wear glasses, especially with the ones that sort of curve inside, they push into your skull and they just get irritating. Anyway, these are the Powerbeats Pro. I'm going to open up the rest of this box as well. Underneath here you have the standard sort of stuff. Yep, it is indeed a lightning connector inside here as well, and also the headphones as well. Again, I'm not going to use these things or test these things. Things are brand new. I just want to open up the box to make sure that these things are as described, and I've got a little proof here that the thing that's been shipped out, you know, I'm not going to get stung or anyway, and I've got some sort of proof just in case anything funny happens. But hope you enjoyed this video. This is Ace, and this is just a quick unboxing video of the Powerbeats Pro. Like, subscribe, and again, peace out.